This is really interesting. 2 iWALK chargers. This iWALK charger right here, a portable battery. The coolest thing about this portable battery is there's an indicator to show how much juice is left in this portable battery. I don't know why other portable battery doesn't have it. I'm always wondering how much percent does it have left? Do I need to charge it before I take it? Well, worry no more. This is it right here. This, I actually don't know what this is. Let's find out what this one is. It's fancy, I think. Okay, this is pretty cool. This right here is a wireless portable charger. See this little triangle right here? So you put your phone right on there, have this fully charged up, leave it on your desk, and it's your charge. Just like that, no wire needed. I have to say that's pretty awesome. That's pretty cool. Too bad my phone doesn't have wireless charging. Actually, all my phone doesn't have wireless charging. But you can charge it with wire if you want. I'm gonna find a way to put this to the test. What I'm more curious about is this. This right here, you guys ready? This side has a percentage of how much juice you have left. Also, it includes cables already connected to the portable battery on this side as well. This is a USB Type-C and this is an iPhone charger. You have both coming from this. I think my favorite part is the battery percentage. This is actually freaking cool. The texture on this feels really nice. The battery feels really light as well. This one has 10,000 milliamp hour. This one looks pretty tight. Which one do you guys think is better? Which one, if you were to have one, which one would you guys take? The one with the screen or the one that's wireless? Both of them are portable batteries. Personally, I picked this one, iWALK. If you guys are interested in this, I'm gonna leave them in the link below. Check them out. They got some other really cool stuff. But if you guys wanna pick out one of these, I'll also leave that below. That's it for me today, you guys. Be sure to set some goals, achieve them, accomplish them, get them done. Catch you guys later.